of the Mississippi, from Salt Lake City, Utah, the Godfrey Clan. Freestyle X Games gold medalist from Baxter, Victoria, Australia, Blake Bilko Williams. The #1 scooter rider in the world, from the Sunshine Coast in Australia, Ryan Williams. Circus Contraption King, from Burbank, California, Dusty Weigel. X Games gold medalist in freestyle motocross, from Minden, Nevada, Adam Jones. Extreme wheelchair athlete from Las Vegas, Nevada, Aaron Wheels Fotheringham. 13 times X Games medalist and a BMX legend, from State College, Pennsylvania, Chad Kagi. 19 times X Games medalist and one of the greatest ever FMXers, from Phoenix, Arizona, Nate